Hello everyone, today I am making spicy chickpea vegetable raita. For this we'll take some oil in a pan, 1 cup boiled chickpea and we will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. When it is cooked, we'll add red chili powder, turmeric powder, some garam masala, salt, and now we'll saute it for 5 to 7 minutes. We have to cook this in a very low flame. Now you can see it is crisp and our chickpea is done. Cool it down. Now take yogurt, add red chili powder, garam masala, black pepper powder, some cumin powder, salt, 1 clove garlic which I have crushed. Now mix it. Make it a smooth paste. When it is done, keep it aside. Now take chopped onion, chopped cucumber, some coriander leaves, lemon juice, black pepper powder, salt, and mix it. Now while serving, add salad on the top of the yogurt and the spicy chickpea. Now your raita is ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel.